Hello, today we are going to see a new Just Dial Extractor software. It is a newly updated software and is very efficient. Let us see how this software works. So here you can see buttons of location and keywords. So you need to add location first. So suppose we want data for Mumbai bakeries. So I'll enter Mumbai over here, and in keywords you need to enter the keyword over here, like you entered bakery, and you will have to click on find. So all the keywords related to bakery have come. You can delete the keywords which you do not like. So if I'm removing last two keywords, and you need to press OK. Now you need to press start button, and you will be able to see that data has started extraction. This is a very fast software. The data is extracted in a speedy way. So you can see the speed of the data extraction. You will get mobile number, email ID and website in this software. This is a good source of marketing for marketing data for your business, and within 3 minutes you will be able to see you can get at least 1,000 rows. So here you can see the row count. You can see 96 has already been extracted. So we'll wait for some more data to get extracted, and then we'll see for some other city and other keyword. So here 130 data has already been extracted. Now I'm clicking on stop. After clicking on stop, you can like we'll see for some other city. So suppose we want data for Delhi restaurant. So we'll enter Delhi, and in keywords we will enter restaurant, and we'll click on find. So all the keywords related to restaurant have come up. Now you need to click on OK and click on start. So you will see the data of Delhi restaurants have started extraction. This is a tested software and we are using it since 8 months. The speed is very good, the data is authentic, and you can easily use this data for your business marketing. So you can see 44 rows have already been extracted here. So we are getting data of Delhi restaurants in this. This will extract unlimited data, but I'm just showing the data extraction for different cities and keywords. You can easily extract 1,000 data within 3 minutes. So now I'm clicking on stop, and then the one more we will see. So we can see location can be uh, Pune, and we'll see Pune data of hotels. So we'll just delete these, and we will click on find. So keywords related to hotel have come. We'll click on OK and start. So the data for hotels in Pune has started extraction. In this software, we will be getting mobile numbers, email ID and website. Okay, so I'll stop over here. Now I didn't extract the data of first two. But now when we click on export, you will see that all the three datas are saved in three different files. So now I have clicked on export. Now you can see three different files. We'll just see one here. You can see the file. Here you will get WhatsApp numbers. So you just need to select this and change it from general to number. So you will be able to see the mobile numbers. Here you will get mobile numbers, email IDs and website. So this is the data extracted. This one is for Pune restaurants, Delhi restaurants which we extracted, and the count was 151. Data is extracted here. Here you can also see that pin code is also available. So if you want to mark it using pin code wise, so you can just get data from here and then mark it using pin code wise data. So this is the data generated. This is a good software for, it is a nice source for getting data for your business marketing. So you can purchase this software. The purchase link is given in description, and please subscribe to the channel for more softwares like uh, Justdial Data Extractor software. We have many more softwares for business marketing, so please subscribe for future videos as well.